Hello guys, welcome to Tutorialverse. My name is Umar and this is part 4 of the SQL Short Course for Beginners series. In today's video, we'll be going over some basic operators that are used in SQL. I will be covering arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So let's begin with the arithmetic operators. So there are 5 arithmetic operators, which are add, subtract, divide, multiply, and modulo. I'm sure you have already seen these somewhere and use them, of course. It's just like basic math. So first off, you want to start by typing select, and to add two numbers together, you could just type a number and then the operator adding. So this is the add sign and then the number. And you can go ahead and select it, run it, and it will show you the calculation. So just like this, you can use it on the other operators. So there's minus, so subtract, divide, multiply, and modulos. So let me see if I can run these together. Okay, so what's happening here is, so the 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we know that's working. 5 minus 5 is 0, which is fine. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 modulo 5, which is 0. For some of you that don't know what a modulo does, basically it gives you the remainder. So if I change this to 7, it should give me a remainder of 2. Just like that. So that basically covers our arithmetic operators. Alright guys, so next I want to show you the comparison operators. So in my part 3 of the SQL Short Course for Beginners series, we had the example database, and inside of the database we had the employees table. So we're going to use that employees table for the comparison operators. So I'll just show you what's inside of it. So I'm using the use keyword because I didn't have to change it up here. So previously we had all these insert into the records, all these things here, and I'm basically going to use salary, most of it, for my comparison operators. So what I can say is select all from employees where let's say salary is equal to 45,000. So should just get one record, so 2 records should get 2 records, or 3 records. Okay, so my manager and cleaner. So what happened was my comparison operator here is saying the salary has to equal to 45,000, and that's what I want to display, and that's what's happening here. Now if I say greater than 45,000, now I should change the records, and so I only have one record that is greater than 45,000. Now if I say I want it to be less than 45,000, I just use the less than, and now I have everything less than 45,000. Now I want to say less than or equal to 45,000. So you can see 45,000 is there, and everything underneath 45,000 will be there. So same thing if I say greater than. Now I have 45,000 and greater, so nothing under 45,000. And lastly, we have the not equal to. So you do the greater and less than like this. So it's going to say that salary is not equal to 45,000. So you'll see that John, Derek, and Samantha will not be inside of the records. And you can see here, out of the 7 records we have, you don't see 45,000. And that is it for the comparison operators. Alright guys, lastly I want to go over the logical operators. So basically what the logical operators do is they either say true or false. So let's start by typing a select statement. So here I'm going to say where employee salary is between 30,000 and 60,000. So you can see first that we have a bunch of different numbers for salaries. So what I'm going to say is I want the salary that is between 30,000 and 60,000. So if I execute that, so whatever is between these two numbers is what I'm going to get inside of the salaries column. And that's the between and end operators. Next, I want to do a like operator. So what I can do is do a select statement. Select all from employees where, so I'll choose the first name where the first name is like, so when you say like, you have to put it in single quotes. And so what I could say is, so you can see that employee F name column has a bunch of names here. And so what this like operator does is it's going to say choose this like this. So let me give you an example. If I wanted to choose John Doe, so this is remember this is in the employee F name column, so I can say J and then do the %. You need the % for it to declare that this is the first letter in the name. So you do execute and you can see it's John. Now if I change this to S, so every name, every first name that has a S, the letter S, is going to be in the records. So you can see here S. Now if I want to change, or if I want to search a last name, I can just do so same thing, D %. So should show me the John Doe. So see, now it's searching the first letter D inside of the EMP-L name column. So if I say I want to choose something like S, now you can see that S is there and S is there. Doesn't matter if it's capital or lowercase, works if I'm searching for S. And now let's move on to doing an OR operator. So here what I'm saying is I want you to select everything from employees where the job title is equal to manager or the job title is equal to cleaner. So it shows me all the job titles that are equal to either manager or cleaner. And now I want to show you the in operator. So here the in operator, I'm saying to grab the date. So I want to grab, let's say I want to grab this ID number 2, starts in 2005, April 24. So I want to grab that. So I can say where the employee started in 2005, 04, 24, it's going to select just that record. And you can see here. Now if I say not in, so this is another keyword, not in. Now it's going to select everything but that record. And so yeah, you can see here, you can't see record number 2. And so alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Sorry if I missed anything or I haven't covered enough. This is just supposed to be basic for beginners to start learning. Later on in the future, I'm probably going to make more videos that are more detailed and have maybe even better understanding, that are more updated and everything. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.